Vico Electrical Holdings Company Limited, a famous China factory who manufacture heat pump and air conditioner in China. Our main product range including stream pro heat pump, water source heat pump, air source heat pump, and also inverter air to water heat pump. Our main product is to supply hot water to heat or cool the swimming pool, and also hot water for floor heating, and also hot water for shower and drinking. A V-Cool heat pump product is equipped with special defrosting system, which can operate for the Nordic region of Europe. So, the product of ground source heat pump is to make use of geothermal energy. So this product is to provide hot water for house heating and also hot water for shower and drinking. If you need any more information, please visit our website of www.vtcool.com.cn